It's Friday night. You've worked hard and you just want to watch a movie. You open Netflix. 4,000 action movies. 3,000 comedies. 500 documentaries about serial killers. You scroll and scroll and scroll. 30 minutes later, your food is cold. You're exhausted. And you turn the TV off, just to stare at your phone instead. You have just experienced the paradox of choice. We think freedom means having infinite options, but what if I told you that having more choices is actually making you miserable? In a famous study by psychologists Sheena Iyengar and Lepper, they set up a display of high-end jams at a grocery store. In the first test, they offered 24 different flavours. A huge crowd stopped to sample them. But here's the kicker. Only 3% of people actually bought a jar. In the second test, they reduced the display to just 6 flavours. Fewer people stopped, but 30% of them bought jam. That is a 10-fold increase in sales. Why? Because when we look at 24 jams, our brain shuts down. We fear picking the wrong one. But with 6, the choice is easy. We are happier with less. Barry Schwartz, the author of The Paradox of Choice, argues that an abundance of options creates 3 distinct problems. Number 1, analysis paralysis. We spend more energy deciding than actually doing. Number 2, opportunity cost. Even if you pick a great movie, part of your brain is thinking, what if that other movie was better? You enjoy your choice less because you're imagining what you missed. And number 3, self-blame. When there are only 2 pairs of jeans at the store and they fit bad, you blame the store. When there are 5,000 pairs and you pick a bad one, you blame yourself. You think, I just didn't look hard enough. So, how do we escape this trap? Here are 3 steps to regain your freedom. Step 1. Artificially limit your options. Don't look at every hotel in the city. Look at 3. Pick the best of those 3 and never look back. Step 2. Become a Satisficer. A maximizer needs the absolute best result. A Satisficer looks for something that meets their standards and stops looking. Be the Satisficer. Good enough is usually great. Step 3. Make irreversible decisions. Research shows we are happier when we can't change our minds. Once you pick the movie, put the remote down. Commit. More choice doesn't mean more freedom. Sometimes it just means more anxiety. So today, I want you to try this. Pick one area of your life where you are overwhelmed. Your diet, your wardrobe, or your watch list. And cut your options in half. Comment below. What is one decision you are overthinking right now? If you want to simplify your life further, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.